Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Amazon Flex account in UK. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly make an Amazon Flex account here in the UK. Well, it's pretty much the same thing on how you create an account on different regions. So how to exactly do it? So first things first is you need to download the app because you can only create an account inside their app. Now typically you go and just open up Google Play Store here, look for Amazon Flex, and that would appear in your Google Play Store. But if it doesn't appear, well, the first thing that you may need to do is you want to go to your browser and just search for Amazon Flex and access their official website. Now, this one is kind of weird. So sometimes if you search Amazon Flex directly in the app or in the Google Play Store or App Store here, it might not appear. So you need to access their website first. But yeah, in here, you want to go and click on Deliver Now. Now, inside the Deliver Now page here, what you're looking for is going to be to download the app to sign up. So go and choose the appropriate option for you. So iOS devices for App Store and Google Play Store for Android devices. Let's go and just choose Google Play. Now this should open up Google Play here and you should now see Amazon Flex. Go and click on install, and once you have this installed, you go and click on open. Now, once you click on open, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go and just sign in into your Amazon account. Now, the thing with Amazon Flex is they will use your Amazon account. So in this case, if you want to use your already existing Amazon account, you can go and just click on sign in with Amazon. But if you want to use a different Amazon account, you go and click on create an account. But for now, let's go and click on sign in with Amazon here and provide all the necessary details like your username and your password, and go and just click on the sign in button. Now, once you've signed in, it will ask you permissions to access the following information here, like your current location, your camera access, your phone stay here, and also call phone. Now, in this case, go and click on continue and just provide all the necessary information. Let's go and just provide all the permissions here. Click on allow, and once you've done that, they will actually check if jobs or certain opportunities is available in your area. Now, depending on where you are, sometimes opportunities may not be available. So if opportunities are currently available in your area, that's why they need access on your current location. They will give you an option here to sign up. But again, this depends on where you are and if they are currently hiring. Now, if you still want to join or still have some interest to join them, you can go and click on join interest list here, and you'll be added in their wait list, and they will reach out to you if a position is available in your area. But yeah, so once you've done that, that should basically put you in the list. Just make sure to have all your details or necessary information ready at hand. That includes like your documentations, your driver license, your car insurance if you are driving, and also a bunch of basic information like driver's license and other necessary documentations, or like your bank account as well. But that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.